GATE 2021 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question 54. The stopping side distance for a level highway is 140 meters for the design speed of 90 kilometers per hour. The acceleration due to gravity and deceleration rate are 9.81 and 3.5 meter per second square respectively. The perception reaction time needs to be calculated in seconds. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited. Coming to the useful data for this question, let us assume a car traveling on a road. The car driver, sitting at a height of 1.2 meters from the road surface, can see an obstruction on the road, which can be a living or a non-living object, whose height can be given as 0.15 meters. The driver will need some distance for reacting to this obstruction, which is called the lag distance. And once he knows that there is an obstruction on the road, he will apply the brakes and he will need some distance called as braking distance to stop the car. So stopping side distance is equal to lag distance plus braking distance. Lag distance is found by taking the product of the speed of the driver into his reaction time, which he will use for processing the situation in this segment. Once he has processed the situation, he will apply the brakes, and the braking distance is given by V square by 2gf plus minus g, where capital G is the gradient, V is the design speed or the traveling speed of the driver. Here this is taken in meters per second. G is acceleration due to gravity in meters per second square. T is the reaction time, which is taken in units of seconds. This equation will be used to solve this problem. In this question, the V is given as 90 kilometers per hour, and as we saw, we need to convert this into SI units of meter per second, which will be V equals 90 times the conversion factor of 5 by 18 is used to convert kmph to meter per second, which would give us 25 meters per second. The G value is given as 9.81 meter per second square, and acceleration is given as 3.5 meter per second square. So friction force is given as MA, which is nothing but the friction coefficient times the weight. This can be written as MA times mu, and weight is nothing but mg. So mu is given as A over G. For case of SSD, we use the notation F for mu, which will be A by G. Let us call this capital F. So SSD, which is 140 meters for this problem, is equal to V times reaction time plus V square over 2gf. So 140 equals V, which is 25, times the reaction time, which is unknown in this case and needs to be found, plus 25 square, and Fg is nothing but, so Fg is A, so it can be written as 2 times of A, and A here is given as 3.5, so it will be 2 pi into 3.5, which will be 140 equals 25t plus 89.28. This would give 25t equals 50.71, which would give the reaction time as 2.028 seconds. And since the question instructs us to round it off to 2 decimal places, we will round it off to 2.03 seconds. So the stopping side distance for a level highway, which is gradient is 0, was given as 140 meters, along with the design speed and deceleration rate, and the acceleration due to gravity was also given. The reaction time was found out to be 2.03 seconds. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited here.